What's up guys, we are back here with the episode 3 of the 5 best Magix modules. If your phone is rooted with Magix and want to make more out of it, this video is for you. Today I have the 5 amazing and very useful Magix modules which improves the performance of your device and allows you for more customization. Well, this is the episode number 3 and we will also come with more episodes in the upcoming months, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel with the bell icon on. And now, let's get started. First, we have the Artboard themes. Now Artboard themes is one of the best way you can customize your Google Keyboard or Gboard on your Android devices. If you love to use Gboard like me on any smartphones, Artboard themes is a must-have Magix modules as it allows you to put up lots of different intuitive themes, change the look of the keyboard and typing experience. To be fair, ever since I use this module, I just like to type more on my phones. Sometimes I just feel like typing random words for no reason. Installing the modules will install the Artboard Themes Manager app where you will find the lots of themes. The modules is not available on Magix Manager. You have to manually install the module zips file. To manually install the Magix modules, all you need to do is download the Artboard Themes zip file and go to Magix Manager. Once you are in the Magix Manager, swipe screen to the right and inside the module, click on the plus icon and locate to the downloaded path and select it. Once the installation gets done, reboot your device. After reboot, you will see a Artboard Themes app. Open the app, go to Downloads, click on any list to download themes. It takes a couple of seconds and it will be stored in themes, so once it gets downloaded, go back to themes to check it out. All the downloaded themes will be here and choose any themes of your choice and apply it. You can also choose to apply the keyboarders if you like it. Beside themes, they also have a various list of different key press sounds. Just select on any sounds and reboot it to apply. And if you don't like key press sounds, let it be. There are a great selection of themes. The themes are so appealing and you have lots of options to choose. You can customize the layout. I personally like to set on big grid layout as the preview looks so better and helps you to choose your theme. You can also manually select the themes and delete them to make your theme selection clutter free. And the recent updated version of the module now offers many more customization. Go to flags and start adjusting the keyboard heights, corner size of your choice, color the navbar and a lot more. Overall, a great module if you love using the Gboard. Second on the list is Corona emoji. Now Corona is not a joke, but we can have fun with the Corona emoji. All the emojis are wearing masks and by the way you should wear it as well. Send Corona emoji with your friends and you can have fun on different social media platforms. By the way, I just don't want to include a single short-term entertaining emojis under my top 5 list, so I have added many different emojis modules in the description that you can try out periodically and have fun. The list has many more attractive emojis like iOS emoji, WhatsApp emoji, Facebook emoji and so on. I know you will love trying it. Third on our list is Energized. Now Energized is one of the strongest modules which blocks the ads from the host so that your phone experience can be ad free. Basically how Energized works is, it gets a list of domains that serve ads, tracking scripts and malware from multiple reputable sources and create a separate host file that prevents your system from connecting to them. At first glance, it looks like a module is very difficult to use, but it isn't that difficult once you understand the process. To be able to use the Energized Protection module, enable the systemless host from the Magix Manager settings, and tapping once will enable it. Make sure the Energized Protection is installed along with the BGWorks module. Both the modules can be found on Downloads. Reboot your device after the installation of both modules. Now, go to Google Play Store and download the Terminal Emulator app. Once you download it, open the app and type SU, SU. Give the forever root access to the apps and now type energized and hit enter. Again type energized space -m to access the menu. They have 6 ad blocking packs where Spark is categorized as light with over 50k domains, and Blue and BlueGo can be used on mid-range smartphones. If your smartphone is high-end, you can go for the ultimate and unified blocking, which does very aggressive blocking with over 200,000 domains. Since my device is mid-range, I will install the Blue pack, which is the number 3. Write number 3 and hit enter and the packs will be installed. You can also install the various extension pack. Selecting the pawn light will block all the pawn content from my device, and the code for the pawn light is PL, so write PL and hit enter. Once the extension gets installed, write Q, which will exit you from the Energize wizard. Now you can exit the emulator and reboot your device to see the result. Here are some of the examples of before and after. The left one is of before and the right one is after applying the packs. Since it blocks the ads from the host, the ad will also be removed from the mobile apps and games as well. And if you want to learn more about the Energize protection, you can visit the website, the link is in the description. Overall, one of the best Magisk modules to avoid ads on a smartphone. Fourth on the list is Exit's Call Recorder. As we all know, Google don't support the internal call recording officially, and we have to rely on those third-party apps which basically captures the mic output. This module is very helpful to capture the high quality recording, and even if it fails with the internal audio recording, the app will switch back to the mic recording like the other ones. Install the Exit Call Recording from the downloads and reboot your device. Now you should see the Call Recorder app on your smartphone. The UI is very basic. Check the Enable Call Recording and allow all the required permissions. In the app, you can change the storage location, recording source, recording format from the settings, and there are more basic features which you can explore once you install it. The app is completely free and open source and it works very well. Last but not least, we have Oxify. If you are familiar with Android skins, news and the varieties, most of the people prefer the Oxygen OS of OnePlus after stock Android. And with Oxify module, now you can turn your any rooted device into OnePlus flagship by adding Oxygen OS boot animations, Oxygen OS custom media, and different Oxygen OS apps like camera, gallery, weather, and even OnePlus Slate font. This is a great module for Oxygen OS lovers who don't have the OnePlus devices. Now you can also choose the individual feature which you want to install during the installations. First of all, install the Oxify modules from the downloads and choose your volume up key to install and volume down key to skip it. I will skip the OnePlus Slate font and let's reboot the device. Now you have a separate OnePlus apps and I just like the weather of OnePlus. The UI is very clean and has lots of informations. Well, those are my top 5 Magisk modules of 2020. If you know there are many great modules that I have missed, feel free to write me in the comment section. I'll try to include them on the 4th episode. Till then, make sure you guys have hit the bell icon and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.